So how to enable Bixby voice assistance? If you press on, then hey
No
Bixby,
biggie.
the
Helping you.
no working. So how to enable it? Go to your menu and search on Bixby. Then you can see the Bixby setting. Open Bixby setting. You can see voice registration. Just press on start and test. Hi Bixby, set an alarm from 7 a.m. Once done, press on done. Now you can say hi Bixby or Bixby. I am setting the Bixby, and once I say Bixby, then it's listening. How's the day?
I'm sorry. I didn't.
Bixby, what time is it?
It's 3:21 p.m.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.